Here are 5 things not to do with mangoes, backed by scientific studies for a comprehensive understanding. Native to South Asia, these tropical fruits are now cultivated in many parts of the world and are enjoyed in various forms. Despite their popularity and versatility, there are several practices to avoid when handling mangoes to ensure you reap their full benefits without any adverse effects. Mangoes, often dubbed the king of fruits, are beloved for their sweet, juicy flavor and myriad health benefits. 1. Do not eat unripe mangoes in excess. Unripe mangoes are often consumed in pickles, chutneys, and as a tangy snack. While they can be delicious, eating them in large quantities can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. Unripe mangoes contain high levels of pectin and citric acid, which can cause throat irritation, indigestion, and abdominal pain when consumed in excess. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlights that the high acidity in unripe mangoes can disrupt the stomach lining, leading to discomfort and potential digestive issues. 2. Do not disregard allergies. Mangoes belong to the Anacardiaceae family, which also includes poison ivy and poison oak. Some individuals may develop allergic reactions such as contact dermatitis after handling or consuming mangoes. This reaction is primarily due to urushiol, a compound found in mango skin and sap. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology indicates that people sensitive to urushiol can experience severe allergic reactions, including swelling, redness, and itching. Therefore, if you are prone to such allergies, handle mangoes with care or avoid them altogether. 3. Do not store mangoes improperly. Proper storage of mangoes is crucial to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. Storing mangoes in the refrigerator before they are ripe can lead to chilling injury, causing them to lose flavor and develop a pithy texture. According to research published in Post-Harvest Biology and Technology, mangoes should be stored at room temperature until they ripen. Once ripe, they can be refrigerated to prolong shelf life for a few days. 4. Do not consume mangoes with heavy meals. While mangoes are nutritious, consuming them alongside heavy meals can lead to digestive issues. Mangoes are high in fiber and natural sugars, which can cause bloating and discomfort if eaten in large quantities with other dense foods. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry suggests that the fructose in mangoes, when combined with other high-calorie foods, can lead to fermentation in the gut, causing gas and bloating. It is best to enjoy mangoes as a standalone snack or as part of a light meal. 5. Do not ignore pesticide residues. Mangoes, like many fruits, can be exposed to pesticides during cultivation. Consuming unwashed mangoes can lead to ingestion of these harmful chemicals. The Environmental Working Group often lists mangoes among fruits that may contain pesticide residues. To reduce exposure, it is important to thoroughly wash mangoes under running water and consider peeling them before consumption. A study published in Food Control highlights the effectiveness of washing and peeling in reducing pesticide residues on mangoes. Conclusion: mangoes are a delightful and nutritious addition to any diet, but it's essential to handle and consume them properly to avoid potential health issues. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes: overconsumption of unripe mangoes, neglecting allergies, improper storage, combining with heavy meals, and ignoring pesticide residues, you can enjoy the full benefits of this tropical fruit safely. Always remember to consume mangoes mindfully and pay attention to how your body responds to them. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.